Hello students, welcome to my next video. Today we will solve one interesting problem. This problem is different. It is a combination of rectangular plus maximization problem. Just look at this problem. There are 5 salesmen A, B, C, D, E and there are 4 counters 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 counters and 5 salesmen. The figures in the matrix are given in 1000 rupees. That means suppose salesman A and the performance of salesman A are across all the counters. Suppose that salesman is going to perform on counter first, he will earn sales of rupees 5000 and on counter 4 his performance will be 9000 rupees. Now as there are 5 rows and 4 columns, this is a rectangular matrix. Okay, so this will be a rectangular matrix. Plus the figures are given in rupees and the variable is sales. That's why we have to maximize the sale. So this problem is also of maximization. Once you saw this rectangular matrix, few students can make mistake that they will add a dummy column here. But as this problem is of maximization, the very first step is convert maximization into minimization problem and then only add a dummy row or dummy column. Just remember this. So first step is convert maximization problem into minimization and then convert rectangular matrix into square matrix. Okay, remember this, don't do vice versa. Now convert maximization into minimization. So do you remember the process? Yes. Identify largest element from the all elements and subtract each and every element from that largest one. That is, in this matrix, largest element is or largest value is 16. So A first will be 16 minus 5. That is 11. 16 minus 13, that is 3. Similarly, construct a minimization matrix which is also called as opportunity loss matrix. You can pause the video and you can check your answer. So this is your minimization matrix. Now as this minimization matrix is not a square matrix, add a dummy column in this case. Okay, so all values of the dummy will be 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. So now you have converted maximization into minimization. Also rectangular matrix you have converted into square matrix. Now you can solve the problem. Now very first step is row minimization. As you see, in each and every row 0 is present. That's why after row minimization the matrix will remain as it is. So there is no need to go for row minimization. You can write down that statement. So we will start with column minimization. You can pause the video and you can check your answers. After column minimization, your matrix will look like this. Now next step is you have to cover zeros. So as this matrix is 5 by 5, so start with 5 zeros in a row or column. Draw a vertical line covering all the 5 zeros. After that go for 4 zeros. 4 zeros are not available. Go for 3 zeros in a row or column. It is not available. Go for 2 zeros. It is not available. So I will lastly go for 1 0. 1 zeros are available in 3 columns. So either you can draw 3 vertical lines or you can draw horizontal lines. So for simplicity now I will draw vertical lines covering the zeros. Now how many lines are drawn? 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 lines are drawn. And order of this matrix is 5. So number of lines drawn are 4, which are less than order of the matrix, which is 5. Therefore the solution is not optimum. So you have to write that and you have to start with Hungarian method. So start doing with me. Here elements which are present on one line. So these are the elements which are present on one line. I have written as it is. Now next set, the elements which are not present on any line. So this is the set. Identify minimum value and subtract that value from each and every element. So 7 minus 4, that is 3, 4 minus 4, 0, 5 minus 4, 1, 6 minus 4, 2 and 4 minus 4, 0. The third set, which is intersection, we can easily see that there are no intersection or the crossing lines. So our matrix is completed. Now try to again identify 5 lines. 5 zeros I have covered with one line. Then go for 4 zeros. 4 zeros are not available. So go for 3 zeros. 3 zeros are also not available. So go for 2 zeros. Can you find 2 zeros? Yes, 2 zeros are here. So for covering these 2 zeros, I will draw a horizontal line. Again, here there are 2 zeros. So I will draw again a horizontal line. For covering this 0, I can draw a vertical line or horizontal line depending on my choice. Here I will draw a horizontal line. So again, how many lines are drawn? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 lines are drawn and order of this matrix is 5. So again, you have to write down the same things. As number of lines drawn are less than order of the matrix, this solution is also not optimum. So again, we have to go for Hungarian second iteration. So on this matrix, perform Hungarian and find out the solution here. Do with me. So for iteration 2, Hungarian method iteration 2, this is your first set. Now identify the minimum value. This is 1. So start construction of this matrix with me. 4, 0, 4, 2. Here it will 1, 1, 2 and 1. Now the values 0, 0, 0. So add this 1 here. So 1, 1 and 1. Now start covering the lines. Start with 5 zeros. Can you find 5 zeros now? No. So go for 4 zeros. Can you find 4 zeros in a row or column? Here there are 2 zeros, 2 0, 1 0, 1 0 and 2 zeros. So I cannot find 4 zeros. Go for 3 zeros. Even I cannot find 3 zeros in a row or column. Okay. Just watch carefully. You can pause the video and you can watch. After that, go for 2 zeros. Yes, I can find 2 zeros. Here also there are 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros. Okay. So or horizontally also you can draw the lines. I can draw horizontal line number 1, line number 2, line number 3. Okay. So 2 zeros are completed. Now go for 1 0. Yes, I can find 1 zeros. So to occupy or cover this 1 0, I can draw 2 vertical line, 2 horizontal line, 1 vertical line, 1 horizontal line depending on my choice. So for simplicity, I will draw 2 horizontal lines. So how many lines are drawn? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines are drawn. So I have to write down that number of lines drawn are exactly equal to order of the matrix, that is 5. Therefore, solution is optimum. So number of lines drawn 5 is exactly equal to order of the matrix, that is 5. Therefore, solution is optimum in Hungarian 2. So this is the optimum solution. Now you can directly start capturing zeros, or you can reconstruct this matrix. So in examination you can directly solve here, which is allowed. So I will go for alone 0. So can you find alone 0 here? It will save our time only 30-40 seconds only. That's the only thing. So I can find alone 0 here. So because this 0 is alone in the D row. So as I have captured this 0 along with the row and along with column, I will permanently delete. Then I can capture this 0 because this is alone in first row. Now this will be deleted. Okay. Then third column, I can capture this 0. I capture this 0. So no zeros are deleted because there are no neighbors for this 0. Then in the first column, I can capture this 0. Now this 0 can be deleted and the remaining 0 I can capture easily. So for each and every row, you can see there are captured zeros, and for each and every column also there are captured zeros. So this is the final solution. Now you have to write down that what is your assignment. So this is your assignment. A is assigned to second counter, B salesman assigned to fourth counter, C salesman assigned to third counter, D salesman assigned to dummy. That means D salesman is idle, no work for him. E salesman is assigned to counter number 1. Now go back to your original problem statement and find out the figures of sales for each and every salesman. From the original matrix, we got the figure like 13, 12, 16, 00 and 10. So make a summation of this. That answer comes out to be 51. Now in the original problem, just check the problem. The figures are given sales in 1000 rupees. Okay. So 51 51,000 rupees. So this is your final answer. This is your final assignment, and the profit for this assignment is 51,000 rupees, or sales for this problem is 51,000 rupees. Thank you.